So maybe you think you have to be a professional to use textures in your art, that it's this big complicated thing. Well, it's not. And if you join me in the Intro to Texture workshop, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. You don't need experience. Just come join us. Be willing to explore and have fun and not judge any of that. I want to show you really quickly a couple of paintings that I'm working on right now with textures, and I want you to see that anyone could do it, and they are not done at all. But check this one out. This, I used a lightweight filler here, and you might be able to see, if I tilt it enough, the different layers that go all over the painting, and then I painted over it. And this one, to me, is calling for some red desert sand. And so I just want you to know, you don't have to stop at one texture. That's the cool thing. You could put as many as you want. You're the artist. So I'm going to put some red sand. I don't know where yet, but it's just begging me for that. And I'm excited to see what happens to it. And you know what? I'm not worried if I ruin it. I can just keep going and paint over it. And I want you to know that too. But check out this next one here. This is just really speaking to me too. And it's not done, so just know that. But here's how easy it is to start. All I did was get some medium, and I had gray ocean sand, and then a little bit of paint, and I mixed it all on here. And then just spread it out. And you could tell there's a painting underneath here that I left somewhat exposed because I kind of like the way it looked. And you get to make those calls as the artist because you're making this for you. And so you're the only one it really has to speak to. And now it's not done, but I could tell you what I love about this is the creamy lightness of this color and how it brings in a super calming neutral effect. I could totally see making one of these like a lot bigger and putting it in one of my rooms because this calmness is just really speaking to me. And I'm gonna go on to just play with some earth tone colors and see what I can bring in here. But I could tell you I'm excited about it, and it's just a fun thing. And I want you to know it's really not hard. You can totally do it. I'll guide you through that. Just sign up, and I promise you are gonna love what this can do and the whole new dimension it can bring into your art.